Welcome to Byte-Sized Cocktails, where AI meets mixology. Let's craft something incredible. Some drinks come with a story, and this one comes with a fight. The Bushwacker, America's Boozy Milkshake, a frozen classic with so much rum, nobody remembers who really invented it. Was it born in the Virgin Islands, or did Pensacola, Florida, steal it and claim it as their own? Doesn't really matter, because today we're taking this classic and letting AI show us how to make it better. Legend has it, the Bushwacker showed up sometime in the 1970s, either at the Ship Store and Sapphire Pub in St. Thomas or down at the Sandshaker Lounge in Florida. Either way, it became famous fast, basically a frozen chocolate milkshake with enough rum to knock you off your bar stool. The problem? Most versions today taste like sugar bombs with a little rum hiding in the back. But our AI, it says we can do better. By the way, if elevating classic cocktails is your thing, hit subscribe. This is Byte-Sized Cocktails, where we let AI guide the mixology, and you get to drink better because of it. Here's the classic recipe you'll find almost anywhere. 1 ounce of dark rum, 1 ounce of Kahlua, 1 ounce of crème de cacao, 1 ounce of coconut cream, 2 ounces of whole milk or cream, a cup of ice. Now blend it until it's perfectly smooth. Good? Yeah. Great? Not really. The flavors fight each other, and the sweetness buries everything. So here's where AI flipped the script. It ran thousands of flavor profiles and gave us this upgraded version. 1 ounce dark rum for a molasses-heavy, rich base. 1 ounce of Mr. Black coffee liqueur. It's less sweet with more coffee punch. 1 ounce of dark crème de cacao for that deep chocolate hit. 1 ounce of coconut cream for thick, full-fat tropical vibes. 2 ounces of oat milk, which gives a smoother texture and less dairy masking. 1/2 ounce of amaretto, just enough to enhance the chocolate without adding sugar. A pinch of sea salt. Yep, you heard me, sea salt. Throw in some ice and blend it until it's thick but pourable, perfect. Here's why it works. The oat milk keeps it creamy but lets the rum and coffee shine. The amaretto adds almond notes that naturally boost the chocolate without extra sugar. And the sea salt activates your taste buds, making every sip taste bigger, richer, cleaner. AI also ditched the chocolate syrup. Instead, it called for shaved dark chocolate on top, adds bitterness, depth, and slowly melts into the drink. Now, would the original bartenders have made it this way? Probably not, but honestly, neither St. Thomas nor Pensacola can really claim this drink anymore. Not after this AI upgrade. Next time, we're throwing AI at another legend of the classic margarita. Can AI actually improve the world's most famous cocktail? You'll have to stick around to find out. Until then, drink smarter, let the AI handle the hard part, and whatever you do, respect the Bushwacker. This thing still hits hard. Thanks for joining us for another AI-crafted cocktail. If you had fun, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got more bite-sized mixology experiments coming every week. Got a crazy cocktail idea? Or want to challenge the AI? Drop it in the comments. We might just feature it in the next video. Cheers!